Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the members options in your StreamYard website. What is the function of the members option and how you can manage that. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the website of the StreamYard, and after going to the website, as you can see, has an option for the members. So we have to go to the members section, and you will be able to see all the members here. If you have added any kind of members, you will be able to see the all members and their role as well. Or if you want to invite a member, you can also do that. As you can see, you have a one seat left, so I'm going to invite the member. Let's click on this, and then simply we need to provide the name. Like I'm going to provide the name like the editor, and then we have to click on the next. And after clicking on the next, we need to choose the role, that what role we want to give to that member. So I'm going to choose the admin, and then we have to write the email address here. So I'm going to write the email address here. So let's write that, and then simply we have to click on the send invite. And after clicking on the send invite, the invitation will be sent, and that member, that email address holder, have to accept this, and that will be automatically added into our membership. So as you can see now, in this way you can manage your members. The role is added here, and the email address is added here. So in this way you can use the members option, and in this way you can manage and invite the members for your group. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use this. So see you guys in the next video.